Now back to our coverage of the George Zimmerman trial. First day out of the gate, and attorneys on both sides already have a social media plan in place. News Channel 5's Molly Reynolds is here now to tell us what the defense and family attorney have been tweeting today. Molly?
That's right. We're seeing both sides use Twitter. Benjamin Crump, the family attorney for Trayvon Martin, and his team are tweeting from the Twitter handle Attorney Crump. And today, Crump and his team have been interacting with supporters and posting links to various news reports about the case. Now, GZ Legal Case is the Twitter handle for George Zimmerman's lawyers, and the communications director for the firm representing Zimmerman told News Channel 5 that the account will mainly be used to post links to court documents and funding updates, and they've already been using it to ask for donations leading up to the trial. If Zimmerman's defense team needs to make a statement, I was told it will be on social media first, and you can follow live courtroom updates from News Channel 5's Alex Sands, and we have a link to his tweets for you at the top of WPTV.com. Molly Reynolds, WPTV News Channel 5.
Molly, thank you.